Good morning, friends. Pehli February, 1st of the February, and today we are heading for the budgets, Indian budgets. तो काफी सारी चीजें इस समय इंफॉर्मेशन नेटवर्क पे अवेलेबल है और बड़ा ही रोचक होता है. It is very fascinating to catch market today. But as you have seen that market has corrected itself, I think, in past 1 week, and you can also see the green out of the FII fund also. Now in the global clues also things are improving, and including volatility is also cooling off, especially in American markets. So it is time to delve deep into the pre-market, and at least we can observe some of the things which are happening in the market, specifically in the stocks. So let's view. आइए उसको हम देखते हैं. So with the versatile application clients up in the field of finance, stock market, I am just trying to observe from a very specific tool and to observe which stock and what are the stocks which are moving ahead, and we can see some pause in them during the session, or what is going to be the their further movement. So as you can see in the past 5 days, mostly in 3 days, the stocks which are, I think, moving with uptrend, we can say that they are going long, especially in the future market. The conviction is for there is long. So you can see that curve GMR Infra, SGFC Live, you can see over here that 3 longs are here. There is one short covering and long unwinding. So you can see these colors are reflecting that what are the stocks which are moving in that manner. So in hotel is also in, I think, lots of information. M&M is also in information. And you can see that past 2 days, there is long, then short covering, here long unwinding, then long unwinding. So that indicates that it is moving in upward direction. Similarly, for the energy segment, NTPC, ONGC, and PFC, 3 REC, these are the basket. And of course, Fuel is also here with the 2 long unwinding, and with 3, we can say the longs. So one must keep an eye on these stocks, and specifically if something is going to be here in name of some, we can say, special ad to specific sector. So that is going to be the cause of their further upward movement. So GMR Infra, you have to keep an eye today on that. And as you can see, SGFC Life is also having such kind of movement, and we cannot see any other stock which is from the segment. And same way we can look for the short covering, that things which are on hold and looking for further movement. So they are somewhere around some support area. So you have many stocks over here, and you can have a look, including SBI card is also there, and which you can see short covering and long unwinding. So it is trying to move, but clear green push is not there, and that you can see over here in the Tata Motors. So 3 short covering is responsible for its little bit, you can say, upward movement, and this green is also very important. So this is the way we have this list you can go through, and Cipla, after 4 consecutive short covering, our long movement is there. So we would like to observe these stocks through the time frame. I think market is about to open. Pre-market data is settled, so let's push us into the pre-market data set. So here we are going, and this is pre-open market. And this is securities in F&O. So right now you can see the movement and the mood of the market. 190 advances and it declines. And if you can capture this thing in any Excel file, then from there also you will have good information to know. But we will try to observe the percentage hike and the volume. And mostly we are looking for the stocks having 30,000 plus volume. So IRCTC is going to be in bet, and definitely we are having some information on railway. So things connected to railway will be improving today. So IRCT is going to be one catch. And since the price hike is 3%, and we have to observe its consistent price action since past few days, then you have to observe it. Now moving ahead, and right now idea we are going to, Infi is also having a good volume, and I think the price is 1.72. The sector is going to move in the mood of Nifty index itself. Then we can find further movement into this stock. Otherwise, 2% is already, we can say, a very major thrust into the Infi. And TechM is also there. So you can see the volume is inferior right now, and ICICI Bank, yes, it's a good move, and volume is also very good. So you have to consider that with the basket. And here GMR Infra, yes, you have to catch it. Volume is also handsome, and you can see the price growth is also reasonable, 1.66. Along with Indohotel, yes. So GMR Infra, Indohotel, and other stocks which we have discussed, including ICICI Bank, Infi, these are going to be, I think, first 5-10 minutes is going to be very important. And HDFC Bank is also there. So this is composition supporting Nifty Bank. And later on, Tata Power, very impressive volume. So Tata Power is going to be in list, and NTPC. So that can be energy sector is performing today. Maybe in the opening we can see to that. And Wipro, 1.27%, reasonable, I think, up movement in the volume. And IEX, that is the energy index, and SBIN is also having a good volume today, and the price hike is 1.05. So as of now, we have seen all those stocks, and we will try to catch them. So basically in the hotel, GMR Infra, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBIN, 3 components, and few from the energy sector, they are going to be in your list. And Tata Power is going to be key thing, along with, if I'm not wrong, Tata Steel is there. So Tata, you can say movement in those stocks. So this is for the pre-market, and later we will soon capture what is happening into the market after opening. So catch me there after opening of the market. Thank you very much.